Hello beautiful people, welcome again, and today again we have come up with another simulation project. Christmas is near. We all are preparing to give people and to decorate our Christmas tree. So today's project is mainly for Christmas tree. How can we decorate our Christmas tree using different components? But this is simulation. Based on the simulation you can decorate your Christmas tree. As you are seeing on the screen, we have RGB LEDs and they are blinking in a pattern, and the LEDs are arranged in a way that it looks like a Christmas tree only. So let's see what we have in this project. So what you have to do, take LEDs, RGB LEDs from the palette and start dragging and dropping them. Try to make arrangement which looks something like your Christmas tree. So I'm placing these LEDs like this. So keep placing and arrange LEDs which can be easily interfaced with your controller, Arduino controller. Since we have multiple LEDs in each row, we'll make common connections for red, green and blue for each row, and we'll bring those connections to the Arduino board. And why we are doing this? Because we have limited number of pins in Arduino board. Although there are varieties of ways to increase the number of pins in Arduino, but in this particular situation, this is the way how we are connecting our LEDs with Arduino. Okay, after making all the connection in each row of LEDs, now it's time to bring down those connections to the breadboard so that we can make connection with our controller. So what we are doing, we are taking two rows together, starting from the bottom. So the first and second rows are connected together for all the terminals, and the same way third and fourth rows will be connected together for all the terminals, and fifth and sixth, and then seventh and eighth. So before making any connection to Arduino pins, what we will do, will place appropriate resistance with each terminal of these LEDs. So this is how we are connecting, and you can see that this is looking something like a Christmas tree. So after making all the connections, now we will place resistance with each terminal, and then finally we'll connect it to the Arduino pins. Now it's time to connect our Christmas tree with our Arduino board. So first we'll make ground connection with all the rows of our tree. Then we'll start connecting our rows with Arduino pins. But we have limited number of pins, so we'll connect them in group. So starting from the top two rows will be connected to pin number 2, 3 and 4 for red, blue and green. And similarly for third and fourth rows, we'll connect them to 5, 6, 7. Then next two rows will be connected to 8, 9 and 10. And then finally last two rows will be connected to 11, 12 and 13 pins of Arduino. So like this we'll make the connection, and since we know that these are RGB LEDs, so you can change the colors of RGB and mix the color, and depending on your requirement, even you can change the pattern of LEDs, that how you want them to glow, from bottom to top or top to bottom or randomly. So in whatever, by whatever mean you want to use them, you can use them. And this is simulation. You can use the same project to decorate your real life Christmas tree. Okay, now let's check the simulation and sketch for this project. As you're seeing, these LEDs are blinking in a pattern. First two rows are blinking in red, then third and fourth are in green, fifth and sixth in blue, and seventh and eighth in brown color. And you can see here in the sketch also, the very first block is to set pin number 2 high. That means first two rows will glow in red. You can check it here, pin number 2 is connected to a red terminal of the LEDs. Then with the delay, again we are turning off this LED. In the next step, we are turning pin number 2 high again for first and second rows, and then third and fourth rows will glow in green color. Why? Because we have set pin number 7 high. Again with the delay, we are turning off these rows or turning off these LEDs. In the third step, we are now glowing 6 rows. That means first two rows will glow in red, third and fourth in green, and then fifth and sixth in blue color. Why? Because pin fifth and sixth rows are connected to pin number 9, which is for blue color. You can check this also here in the circuit. Then again with the delay, we will again turn off these rows. Then in final step, we are turning first and second in red, third and fourth in green, fifth and sixth in blue, and seventh and eighth rows in brown color. It is brown actually, cream color. Why? Because we have mixed two colors. Pin number 11 and 12 together we have actuated, and 11 is for blue, 11 and 13. 11 is for red and 13 is for green. When we mix these two colors, we are getting cream color. Now we'll see that what happens if we change this. Instead of 13, if we make it pin number 12, what color we'll get after mixing these two colors, red and blue. Let's check in the simulation. Okay, red, green, blue and pink. So if we mix red and blue, we'll get pink color. Okay, now we'll check what happens if we change, or if we use 12 and 13. That means blue and green. 12 and 13. 12 and 13. So after making this, we should get another color, but we will check it after checking here in the simulation. So it is some turquoise color. It's a turquoise color. So like this, you can change any of the color. So this is simulation, that's why the brightness is not that soothing the way they should look like. But when you will apply these in your practical, if you have hardware components and if you want to apply them on a real RGB LED, then things will be different. You can check the code here. Friends, this is simulation, so brightness of LEDs is not that good. But if you have hardware components and if you want to decorate your Christmas tree, arrange them in this fashion on your tree, you can use this code, copy and paste it in your Arduino IDE before uploading it to your controller. But if you don't have hardware component, don't worry, use Tinkercad to make your own Christmas tree. Okay guys, this is all about this project. I hope you will like this project, and before leaving I wish you a very happy Christmas day. Merry Christmas to all. आप सबको क्रिसमस की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद.